Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bolt.New to create a website using AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Bolt.New. Log into your account and sign up if you are new. And once you're inside, you'll land in the main dashboard. On the home page, you'll see a prompt box. This is where you can tell the Bolt what kind of website that you want. Just type your idea, and the more details you include, the better the result. And after done typing your prompt, press enter and the Bolt will now use the AI to automatically generate the website layout, the design and colors, sections, text and structure, and you'll see everything appear in seconds. Just scroll through the generated page and check the layout, text content, images, sections, and this is your full website draft. If you want to make changes, you can edit text, change colors, replace images, or add new sections, or just prompt another idea. And preview your website. If you're happy with everything, you can click the publish at the top right, and your website will go live and you can share the link with others. The Bolt makes website creation fast, beginner-friendly, and no coding required. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.